What's the meaning of cotton belt? Cotton belt. Cotton belt.
Cotton belt. Cotton belt. The term cotton belt refers to a region of the southern United States that is historically known for its cultivation and production of cotton. This region includes states such as Texas, Oklahoma, Arkansas, Louisiana, Mississippi, Tennessee, Alabama, Georgia, South Carolina, and North Carolina. The name originates from the importance of cotton production in the economy and culture of the region. Today, although cotton production has declined, the term cotton belt continues to be used to refer to this region of the country, which is still known for its agricultural productivity and cultural heritage.